the entire time. Never stop. Remember, exercise over a lifetime yields results. So continue to train your child in godliness and wisdom as they grow into adults.
Parenting teens isn't for the faint of heart. Learn about Mark's upcoming events and check out his latest resources online at parentingtoday's.
Look at this helicopter right there.
Dignity Memorial.
Sit there circling me.
Memories, celebrating lives, caring for our communities, honoring those who served. Dignity
Circling my
Memorial
house
funeral and
like a
cremation
roach.
services and selection of cemetery properties offer remembrance services reflecting the life it honors. Dignity Memorial has served Southern California for over 52 years with 10 locations in the Inland Empire. The website is
See it circling my house?
dignitymemorial.com. That's
Can y'all see it?
dignitymemorial.com.
You don't see it on this side, do you?
All of creation, all of the earth, make straight a highway, a path for